Stop trusting every IT help message on Teams. Stop a quick assist session unless you verified the sender. Start treating Teams pings like suspicious emails from unknown senders. Here's the scam in 60 seconds. Pay attention. First, they drown inboxes with spam and fake alerts to make victims worried and eager for help. Then a fake IT rep pings you over Microsoft Teams and convinces you to start Quick Assist. Once connected, the attacker runs a digitally signed MSI. That MSI is hosted in a personal Microsoft Cloud account. It pretends to be a Teams component. It pretends to be a cross-device service component. The MSI uses DLL sideloading. It loads a malicious host fxr.dll into memory. The payload runs shellcode. It checks for sandboxes and analysis environments. It derives a SHA-256 key to decrypt an AES payload. It decrypts and drops the A0Backdoor, which fingerprints the machine. A0Backdoor hides C2 in DNS-MX queries. It encodes metadata in high-entropy subdomains and reads commands from MX records to blend in. That lets it blend past many defenses. BlueVoyant ties this to attacks on finance and to attacks on healthcare. They see links back to Blackbasta-style tradecraft, evolved with signed MSIs and MX-based C2. Want next steps? I can map this to detection rules, KQL, or DNS pattern detection, or draft user controls, or training for users. Which do you want first?